All right, both screens are looking good. So here we are again. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the channel. And as always, thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few minutes. My name is Rich Charpentier, and I'm the channel host here. And mostly we talk about drones, building your own small drone business. And yeah, so lots of drone stuff. And so if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the video. And if you're one of our regular subscribers, thanks for supporting the channel and being here with me. It's really appreciated. So today we're going to talk about something a little different. We're talking about the elephant in the room. And no, this room's too small to have an elephant, but we all know what I'm talking about. We've got all these opportunities to self-quarantine, work from home. Things are sounding a little scary, and well, they're more than a little scary. It's a little unnerving to see things unfold in the news today. Um, there are things that we can do about it, though. So, we've all gotten our instructions and suggestions as to distancing from folks. And if you can stay home and work from home, then do so. As a small business owner, I do work out of my own office most of the time, or I'm out in the field when the weather's not terrible. It actually snowed here again last night. This is Arizona. Come on. Um, Sorry, I got to switch to these glasses. I'm still getting used to them. They made an appearance in the last video, but I've got to get used to that. So there we go. Now I can see the screen up there. So yeah, as a small business owner, I have the opportunity to do a lot of work remote. Um, Uploading these videos to YouTube. Hey, I don't have to be in an office with a bunch of people to do this or even to produce this. So there's that. If you're stuck working from home for the first time, or you've decided to step back for a little bit and wait to see things, how things settle out, don't sit around dwelling on this. It's not good for you, let me tell you. I personally have been coping with an autoimmune disorder for 15 years now. And even when some symptoms and issues come up, it scares me at first. Medical stuff is not fun, it's scary. So I have to remind myself on a regular basis, you know what this is, you know how to cope with this, you know how to work through this, and take your breaks when you need to take your breaks. What we're looking at here now is something that's unknown for all of us. And in my own personal experience, I know it's scary. So if it's unnerving you a little bit, it's understandable. But don't sit around and dwell on it. There's a lot of stuff that we can do while we're doing this work from home, while we're staying away from other people for a little while. You can take this as an opportunity. I'm really serious here. Um, I take a lot of online courses. I produce online courses. And so I've been actually looking around on Udemy and lynda.com and making a list of some things that I would like to watch over the next week to add to what I'm doing with my own business. So that's one of the things I'm going to be doing, is doing some more online courses for myself. I'm probably going to be producing some new stuff for here as well. And I've got one other project where I am doing some tutorial work. So that is going to help me to focus on growing my business. So look at this as an opportunity where if you have some additional time on your hands, now is the time to work on your business website. Now is the time to pull that portfolio together that you've been meaning to pull together. Now is that time to sit down and lay out the course that you want your business growth to take. So instead of focusing on the negatives of this, look at some of this as an opportunity for you to take the time that you haven't been able to take. And that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing more work on my own business website because I neglect it. I neglect it because I'm working on client stuff. So with that in mind, I'm this week and into next week, I'm focusing on changes to my own website, what I want to display, what I don't want to display, how I want to refine my message. So like I said, I was looking around Lynda, looking around Udemy, and I will say there are some classes out there. While I do search engine optimization, it always helps to learn more. So I'm looking at a couple new SEO classes using some of the tools that I use. Taking those classes, not giving those classes. While we do good SEO, I am by no means on the expert level for that. But so I think if we all focus on doing some positive things for our own businesses, in the long run, this might pay off for us. So take that time, step away from the news, take an opportunity to go educate yourself, take an opportunity to improve your online presence, take an opportunity to sit down and have a serious conversation with yourself or your team members about where you want your business to go. And who knows, maybe this will actually help you grow your business. Maybe it'll help you learn some new things. And maybe it'll take your mind off of the spooky stuff going on and the stupid stuff some people do. So, never mind, I'm not even going to say that because I know I'll get demonetized for that. So we'll just leave that one alone. Finally, yesterday I took the time, went back over to Udemy because you can't put long-term coupons up on Udemy. You can only do them a month at a time. So I have updated the coupon codes for my classes over on Udemy. So if you're interested in Litchi, if you're interested in a beginner's guide to 3D modeling with drones, if you're interested in a beginner's guide to using Metashape with your drone images for 3D modeling, I have those up. I've dropped the prices on all of those to the lowest price that Udemy will let me drop it to. So they actually have their ceilings and floors as well. So I've dropped all those down, started on March 18th, and so that's going to run through April 18th. So if you've been wanting to take one of the courses here, now is the time. So right over on this side here, looking at the website and still getting used to the no-line bifocals here. We have drone classes, and under that, I've got several of the classes. I would also encourage you to check out other things on Udemy and check out things on Lynda. That one's always been a great one for me when I've been doing database classes and things. So make this into an opportunity, and before you know it, we'll be through the worst of this stuff, and we can get back out there and apply our new knowledge and show off our new websites and go out and gain some more clients. But in the meantime, don't focus on all that bad news, and see what you can do for yourself over a week or two for improving your business's presence, reaching more people, and getting things to where you want them. Because we all know, we're never happy with our own websites, and we always want to make them better. So that's a big part of what I'm doing this week. And one of my other clients got in touch. Totally forgot about this. So I had another client get in touch yesterday who wants to do some more work on their WooCommerce store because their physical store, their brick and mortar store is slowing down right now because not as many people are walking through the doors. So this particular client said, hey, what else can we do with the online store that we have? So one of my clients is thinking the same way I am, take advantage of this and help your business in other ways. If the people aren't walking in through those doors, maybe we can get some more people walking in online and checking out your website and your services. All right, everybody. With all that said, I'm going to let you go, and I hope that you're all staying safe and stay healthy, and we're all going to get through this. And in the end, maybe we'll be better off for it, for giving ourselves a little bit of time to focus on ourselves and our business. See you again real soon. Be safe.